Hey guys, it's Trippy, welcome to the video. This one's going to be a bit of an experiment for me, or was an experiment I should say, as myself and Connor went to Devon. The reason being is that basically when I'm at work, and say it's February and I book off some time in August for the good weather, I don't really do a lot between those times because I keep telling myself, well, I've got time off in August, I'll do all my plans then. And even though I do sort of go out and experience stuff, I kind of waste away the year just waiting for that 1 or 2 week period in August. So I'm playing with the idea of, well, I have been playing with the idea for a couple of years now of getting a van. So basically I can just take off on the weekend, go wherever I want for a couple of days and then come back again. But because they are so damn expensive and I literally can't afford it now even if I wanted one, I thought I'd leave work on Friday with my car all packed up, stay at a campsite in a thing called a studio pod, which is basically like a shed with a bed and it's got all the stuff you need, like a kitchen and bathroom and stuff, but it's like really small. And I just thought if I enjoyed going up after work with the car, maybe that will inspire me enough to get a van sometime down the line. And spoiler alert, I did really enjoy it. So whether or not I get a van is still undecided. I think 1 or 2 more trips is needed. But yeah, this video and the next maybe 1 or 2 is going to be based up in Devon. The first one, this one is going to be at a place called Watermouth. It's like a really kind of picturesque area, all sort of cliffy and the sea and the sand. It just, yeah, it looks incredible. And the next 2 are going to be around Ilfracombe and a place called Croyd, which is a really long beach. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Again, just sort of experimenting and trying to basically make up for lost time, whereas instead of like wasting away the year, I'm actually doing stuff with it and enjoying the weather as much as possible. So yeah, a little trip to, well, 1 day trip to Devon. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Over there. Yeah, it'd be good if the sun starts going down. I'm sure it will, because it normally does. And you're like one wheeling, because it is a good segue, isn't it, the one wheel, to show people an area without just showing them the area. You're doing something else as well. You can't do that on a mountain bike, you can't do it on a skateboard, you can't do it on a motorbike, but a one wheel is perfect because you can film silently.
So calm as well.
Doing a hard sell, saying that talking about the guy that rents out kayaks.
Oh yeah. So what's this called again?
Just round tower.
Oh. It's like the one wheel, I guess. It's quite an easy name to remember. Hey? Bloody Nature Channel again. Dodgy signal.
You get to take off from in there.
Oh yeah, and go through the window. Ooh, good idea. Okay, definitely was a good idea to come this way. The path sort of stops down there.
How high it is.
See, across there, is that on the map? It looked like it wasn't connected, or is it this bit? Because that's like looks like a massive walking path on the other side, but that's, I guess, connected to the land.
Yeah, that bit isn't connected.
Ah.
Sexton's Burrow, that one.
Dun, dun, dun,
Oh, you
dun.
could get it if you go down there. I don't want to though.
Well, I think here's a good place to take off as any.
Do you think it would cut out if you're on the other side of Sexton's Burrows?
Maybe. But it would return to home though, wouldn't it? What should. If it works right.